Hello everyone, welcome to Russell Classroom. Today I solve this problem. It is a math Olympiad question. X square plus y square equals to 24 and x y equals to 35. What is the value of x plus y? So if you want to solve this, x is equal to 35 by y, and then you can put this x below in this equation. You can find out easily what is the value of x and y. Then you can x plus y, you can find out a real value. But I solved this problem other system. Now I can say first equation, x squared minus y squared is equal to 24. Now we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus v into a minus b. So now I can say easily x plus y, x minus y equal to 24. And now I both side put square. Now I can say x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square equal to 24 square. I just apply square both side. Now I can say easily, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to x square plus 2ab plus b square, and x square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 24 square. Now I can say easily x square plus y square. We know that 2 multiply xy is equal to 35. So now I can say 35 x square plus y square minus 2 multiply xy. Xy is 35 equal to 24 square. Now I can say easily x square plus y square plus 70, x square plus y square minus 70 equal to 24 square. Now if you think x square plus y square is equal to a and 70 is equal to v, this time you can say easily a plus b, a minus b. So we know that a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. So now I can say easily x square plus y square whole square minus 70 square equal to 24 square. Now I can say x square plus y square whole square equal to 24 square plus 70 square. We know that 24 square is equal to 576 and 70 square is equal to 0049. Now I can say easily x square plus y square whole square is equal to 0, 6, 7, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So now I can say 4 and 5. So 5476. Now I use both side root over. Now I can say x square plus y square equal to plus minus 74. X square plus y square is equal to plus minus 74. Now our target is x plus y equal to what? X plus y is equal to what? We know that x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Now x square plus y square equal to plus minus 74 and plus 2 multiply 35. We know that xy is equal to 35. So now I can say plus minus 74 plus 70. Now x plus y whole square equal to first of all I put on plus value. So now I can say 74 plus 70 and x plus y whole square equal to 144, and now I can say x plus y is equal to plus minus 12. And now I put on minus value, plus y whole square equal to minus 74 plus 70, and now I can say x plus y whole square equal to minus 4 and x plus y equal to root over minus 4, and we know that I equal to root over minus 1. This time I can say easily plus minus 2i. So this is the answer. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.